Hey, thanks for checking out KNeticx on our meal prep site that we do. On this, we do things a little bit differently than some people. So some of the things we look for out of our meal prep, I'm going to let Kate explain exactly what we're looking for and what we do.
So we just really look to have healthy, balanced meals that keep really well throughout the week. A lot of our meals we use for our lunches, sometimes dinners, sometimes we make enough for both. And just looking to be healthier on the scale just in general. Some of our meals are a little bit more comfort food, but most of them geared towards giving you more energy, more balance throughout the day.
Yeah. Some of them are not necessarily completely my favorites because it's not really my jam, but I mean, I just find ones that I like and I dislike, and sometimes I eat foods that I'm like not super a fan of, but I know I need to eat that kind of meal.
And a lot of our stuff is stuff that we find locally around here that we can use in our recipes and then supplement with some stuff in the store.
Thanks for checking us out. Hope you find meals that work for you, and please send us any feedback you have on anything that you may like or things that we may like.